Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now take a black marker and then draw the lines like this to make a cute piggy. So make its mouth like this, draw its ears, eyes, now make its body, draw its legs and hands, make a tail on the back and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this on the white sheet. So now make ears like this, make its eyes, mouth and then complete its body. So here we are making a deer. Make its legs like this. Now make a tail on the back of it like this. You can color it using brown color, make some patterns over its body and it's done. Next we'll be making a cute bunny. So draw the face, legs and hands of it. Now complete its body, make its ears on the top. Now draw its eyes, nose and its cute mouth. Now color it with the pink color and your cute bunny is ready. Next, we'll be making a cute elephant. So draw its trunk like this. Now make its ears. Now we'll be making its body. So first draw its legs, draw its eyes. Draw the lines on the trunk. Now make its ears. Now join its body on the back. Make a cute tail on its back. Complete its body. Make its back like this. Make its four legs. And then cute tail on the back. Color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute dolphin. So, make the semicircular shape like this. Draw its mouth in the front, make its eyes. Now on the sides, we'll be making the fins of it. Now make its cute tail on the back. Color it with blue color if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, take a black marker and draw the lines on the white sheet. Make the eyes, ears and mouth of it like this. Complete its face. Now draw the hairs on the sides. Now make the hairs on the sides. So till now you must have guessed it right. We are making a lion. So now make its legs like this. Make a tail on the back. And then after making tail, we can color it using the brown color and yellow. Otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute sheep. So first make its eyes, ears and mouth. Now we'll be making the hairs on the sides of it. Make its legs, make its body, make its ears and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute panda. So write a 9 on a paper and then make the ears. Now complete its legs, make a bamboo tree near it. Make its leaves, make its big eyes, mouth and nose. Color it with black and white color as shown in the video. You can use any colors of your choice, but we have used the authentic color of the panda like this and it's ready. So we'll be making a cute bunny. So we'll be taking the black marker, draw the eyes, nose and mouth of the bunny, make its ears and legs, make a tail on the back, make a carrot in its hand and then color it using different colors of your choice and it's ready. Next we'll be making a cute mouse. So write a 6 first and then make a V-like shape on the top. Now complete the lines by joining it to make its ears, tail and legs. Make its eyes and then color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.